Hello guys and welcome to Natural Remedies. In this brief video, I'm gonna tell you guys a simple recipe that will help you remove plaque, tartar and even whiten your teeth. This simple recipe includes only 3 ingredients. Number 1, baking soda. Number 2, salt. Number 3, coconut oil, which is optional. Now then, baking soda is safe to use on your teeth. It does not damage your enamel. This is a myth being perpetuated by some companies for financial reasons. The claim that it's too hard for your enamel is false. Baking soda only has a hardness of 2.5. Your enamel is about 5 and your dentin is about between 3 and 4. And most toothpastes contain some silica, which is around 7 and well above the hardness of your enamel, but still does not cause erosion if used correctly. Baking soda, if anything, could be argued to be too soft for your teeth. A mixture of baking soda and salt is an effective home remedy for the plaque and tartar removal. The mixture should smoothly be scrubbed on the teeth by using a toothbrush. This mixture has antibacterial qualities and is highly effective in killing mouth germs. Use this mixture thrice in a week for effective and instant results. Once done, wash your teeth with lukewarm water and gargle properly. Here you can use the famous coconut oil swishing method. Simply put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around for 15 to 20 minutes and then spit it out. Try this simple and effective home remedy and you will be surprised by the results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too. Goodbye and take care.